Okay, everyone, we're going to look at the first problem in section 5.7 on substitution. We're going to write the following integral in terms of u and du and then evaluate it. So they've given us the integral and they've given us the value of u. Now on the test and future problems, they will not give you the value of u. You'll need to be able to figure out what that is. And most of the time, we're going to choose the inner function inside, the composition of two or more functions. And here it makes sense that 5x minus 2 is the value of u because that's inside u to the fifth. So when I choose the u, remember we need to understand the relationship between the variables, the du and the dx. So what is the derivative of this function u with respect to x? Well, it's just 5. And so the way we write that, we usually write the derivative of u with respect to x, right, would be 5. But then we use the differential notation here and rewrite that as du is equal to 5 times dx, like we're multiplying by dx there. Now, when I look up here, I have, of course, this will be u to the fifth. I have dx. The way I balance this out is I just multiply both sides of this equation by 1/5. So 1/5 du will be the value of dx. So now I just simply replace dx with 1/5 du. 3x plus 2 to the fifth becomes just u to the fifth. And there's my integral now in terms of u. Cleaning this up, this 1/5 is a constant multiple, so constant multiples can be pulled outside of the integral. And then we find the antiderivative u to the fifth. That's just by the power rule. We add 1 to 5 and get 6 and divide by 6 or multiply by 1/6, right? This is the antiderivative by the power rule of u to the fifth. And then cleaning it up, 1/5 times 1/6 is 1/30th, u to the sixth. And of course, we want to go back to the original variable to express our antiderivative. So I'm going to replace u with 5x minus 2. So here it is. You could also have written it this way. I saw in Achieve when I was looking at the answer that this is the way they had this displayed. I would accept either one of these. And again, your problem, again, might have slightly different numbers than this, but I think this is enough to show you how to do your problem. So if you have questions with this, please let me know.